we're often asked here at Snyk about the fundamentals of cloud security, and we've tried to break this down into 5 fundamentals. It's a good starting place. And they are, first, know your environment. Okay, if you don't understand what you have out there and that you're running in context, you will not be aware of any deficiencies from a security perspective. And that leads to the second one, which is the vast majority of cloud exploits are due to imperfect design and architecture. Cloud security is really a design problem primarily, not a maintenance problem. It's very different than data center security. So what you want is to know your environment, to prevent security events from happening by having good, solid designs that are informed from a security perspective. And to do that, you have to get to the third principle, which is you have to empower your developers. You have to empower the people that are building the systems, that are designing the systems, so that they understand the security domain. It's no different than the performance domain or the cost domain or the scaling domain, right? These are all just aspects of building systems. And that means your developers have to be empowered to do that. And how do you empower developers? It's not by lecturing them. It's not by having meetings. It is by giving them tools, and particularly code. So the way you're going to empower your developers is with policy as code. And what policy as code brings that was missing before is that input to the developer in an automated way, and feedback on what mistakes they're making from the security perspective. So that's really how you're going to achieve the first few of these principles, is by empowering developers with tooling and automation, and therefore you'll get better designs, you'll be able to focus on prevention, and you'll actually understand what you're running. And then finally, you have to keep measuring, right? You want to get it right up front, but then you have to keep paying attention, because these are mutable resources. These are things that can and will, in fact, change. And so you want to prevent misconfigurations up front, but then you also want to detect if they appear later.